Do a mistake, or make a mistake. Why does my brain say do, but my teacher says make? Welcome back. I'm your favorite English teacher, and today we're fixing a classic English learner problem, collocations, words that like to stick together. Let's go. A collocation is when two or more words naturally go together in English. Like peanut butter and jelly. Or, make a mistake, not do a mistake. Make a mistake, okay. Do a mistake, wrong. Do homework, okay. Make homework, wrong. Let's see more. Make a decision. Do the dishes. Make noise. Do exercise. Do is often used for tasks or work. Make is often used for creating or producing something. Funny examples time. I did a mistake. No, you made a mistake saying that. Let's fix more. He did a big decision, wrong. He made a big decision, okay. She did a party, wrong. She had a party, okay. Yes, sometimes English breaks the pattern. Thanks a lot, English. Quick quiz. Choose the right collocation. I need to make a phone call. He always does his homework on time. I made a mistake. You're doing great. Collocations make your English sound natural and fluent. So don't just learn words, learn which words go together. Now tell me in the comments. Have you ever done a mistake with collocations? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.